everyone, welcome back to my channel, Rain or Shine. Today we are back in the sunniest county in Ireland, Wexford. 2 years ago we came to Wexford but only visiting the Hook Peninsula. And today we are going to visit other places together with the same team that accompanied us on our Sligo trip a few weeks ago. Join us until the end to discover other beautiful and interesting places in County Wexford. Welcome to our channel, Rain or Shine. He's so cute! I like this. Seal Rescue Ireland is a registered charity dedicated to the rescue, rehabilitation, and release of sick, injured, and orphaned seals from across the coast of Ireland. They actively engage the public in marine conservation through education, research, and community programs. The staff work 24/7 to help seals regain their health. They have a hospital for rescued seals where they will slowly get necessary treatments before transferring them to the pre-release pool. We have learned so much about how they work in such a short period of time. It will be a fun activity no matter what age you are.
Had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a song through me.
Wexford is famous for their sunny beaches and for being the sunniest county in Ireland. Near the town of Courtown, you can find the stunning Kiltennel Bay Beach. This beach is very unique because there's a forest that merges with its sand. We really loved walking through the path between the beach and the trees of this forest. There are several good places to eat in Courtown. We usually choose Irish restaurants to show in our Ireland videos, but this time we fancied this French cafe. Everything was delicious, so we were really happy with our choice.
ko to.
Hi.
Hi.
What song are you teaching Miguel?
Oh, por favor.
A popular song. Spain.
After eating a lunch, we headed to the historical town of Enniscorthy. Many people suggested us to visit this town in our top 5 small towns in Ireland. And finally, we have found time to do it. One of the most famous sites in Enniscorthy is its medieval castle. The castle, originally built in the 13th century, has a long and important history. This fortress has been used by Norman soldiers, English armies, Irish rebels, and local merchant families. Today, Enniscorthy is a charming town overlooking the River Slane. But in 1798, the nearby Vinegar Hill became the largest camp of the Irish rebels who were able to control County Wexford, resisting for an entire month against a much superior English army. Nowadays, there are not many remains from the original interiors, but visiting the castle is a good way to learn about Enniscorthy history, and the views from the top are really worth it. St. Aidan's Cathedral is a neo-Gothic temple built in the 19th century. An interesting fact, its architect was the same who designed the famous Houses of Parliament in London. That ends our Wexford video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to help us grow our channel. Until next time, keep exploring, rain or shine.